Good morning, guys. First find of the day. There's a bunch of spiders. Bam. Oh, that looks good. Nice little swivel. Let's find one more lure, guys. Like this one. One more. Oh, guys. I don't have to buy a jig anymore. Tell you that. Get him. I'll get back to you. We got something here in this tree. Get it. Dicey. Let's keep on looking. Ooh, a popping frog. Good hooks. Ooh, I like this one. Alright, guys, this is what we're looking for. Can't believe it. Oh, it's mine. Yeah, guys, whopper plopper, 110. Damn. Beautiful. We got one more, guys. Look what we have here. Woo! Look at that trap. Nice. Muchachos, found one more lure. My thing is full lures now. Let's keep on looking, guys. Whoa, check this out. This is the coolest fly I ever seen. This is weird. Nice. What's that? There you go. First find of the day. Good catfishing. Alright guys, we got something here. No! Okay. Oh, it's still here. Oh, I thought I lost it. 6 cents. Woo! Oh. Nasty spiders. And then we have a chatterbait. Nice chatterbait. Cool. Check this one out. Oh yeah, they paid off already. Okay guys, we got the first find of the day. It's a fly. Can't wait to try it out. There she is, guys. That was easy. Look what we have here. Nice. Woo! Check that one out. Can you comment down below what kind of brand that is? It looks like a bass. Inside of the eye. Cool. Second find. Okay, that's the thing. I spotted a lure. Yep. Whopper Plopper 75. Ooh. This dude is old. Oh. Ooh, nasty, nasty. I'll just wash it off. Whopper Plopper 75. Third find of the day. I'll get her out and I'll show it to you guys. Okay, I got it, guys. Body glove. Nice. This is a good brand. Nice. Now let's keep on looking. Alright guys, check this one out. Who's up there? This is a no-go for me. Always straight line. I'm looking. Well, I'm fishing, right? But look at this. How are you gonna say no to this? I gotta see some of this stuff. Man, this is what I need right now. Okay, guys, check this out. I didn't clean it up that well, but look, good hooks. Oh, he's been there for a long time. We got it, guys. Check this one out. 130. Oh yeah, paid off. They paid off already.